Alright guys, welcome back. Today is December 10th, and today we're going to open up door number 10 on our hot sauce advent calendar. And number 10 is Baby It's Chilly Outside Hot Sauce number 10. On the side it says, when it's cold outside, Santa keeps warm with a super hot blend of habanero and jalapeno peppers. A touch of lemon makes it ideal for poultry, meats, and seafood. It's got a habanero look to it, so let's go ahead and try this. It smells very much like habanero pepper and smells pretty spicy. Not a lot of vinegar, just a lot of habanero pepper smell. After tasting it, yes, it is very spicy, and it has more habanero flavor than jalapeno flavor. It's got a really good flavor to it. I think this one might be the spiciest one so far. Alright, let's check out the back of the box. Okay, here is number 10, Baby It's Chilly Outside Hot Sauce. It has distilled vinegar, green jalapeno peppers, green Tabasco peppers, red habanero peppers, salt, lemon peppers, lemon juice, and xanthan gum. That one has a lot of different ingredients in it compared to the other ones. This sauce does warm you up when it's chilly outside. Alright, thanks for watching. Join me tomorrow when we open door number 11.